in the sky, gazing far.
Hi guys, welcome to Tech with Avish, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Sony DAV-DZ350. So let's start. Okay, so let's open it. Pretty excited. I'm pretty excited, yeah. Hiya. Woo, nice. So first we get this like Sony theater thing, DVD home theater system. Let's keep that aside. And then we get this remote. So we bought it from an area that we may not get the same remote like it actually is. But yes, this surely works. We tried it out at the shop. We didn't connect the speakers and stuff. So now I'll take this thermocol off. So till now these are the two things that we had, and I'm just gonna show you what is under the thermocol. First out of here we get like, I guess, the main system. So let's take it out. Looking good. Yes, I have plugged in the thing, like the speakers aren't attached. I'll take like a fast motion of that. But for now, let us just see the system. Interesting. A light comes. This is fascinating. Like seriously. Loading, no disk. Also function. Ooh, blue lights. USB. So there's like a USB port there. There are two mic plugs here and the volume switch, everything, and there's like a disc in the middle. And now we'll check if the remote works with it. So let's get the remote. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hello. I think the remote doesn't have batteries, but at the shops area we tested it out and it worked, so no fear of that. So on the remote there is DVD and CD, Bluetooth, USB, FM, TV, HDMI, optical audio in, equalizer, surround and mic volume, since there are two mic ports, audio, and this karaoke mode, and yeah, and this is the usual things that are there. So I found this really fascinating, that it has the EQ option, which most sound systems don't have. So from the shop we bought it, it gave us this system at a pretty cheap price. So we have bought a 5.1. I'll just show you the box. Here you go. So this is a 5.1 and we got it in 9,000, which is so cheap. And on the box it's written 22,000. So we got it like very cheap, and as per its price, it's literally the best sound system ever. Okay, so guys, I opened one small one. So they are too big, too small. So this one is the small one. It has some wires here that my dad will fix, and let me show you the tall one. This is the tall one, and here, as you can see, this is the woofer. It has like a hole in here. Yeah. And I guess this goes there, right? Now that you have subscribed, the work is going faster. I'm just going to make you guys hear the sound quality of the system. I heard it. It's pretty good. It's a 1000 watt speaker. So you heard the sound quality and it's awesome. So yeah, you heard the sound quality. And the mic couldn't capture it that well, but it's actually awesome. Guys, that was the video. If you liked it, please like, share it with your friends, let them enjoy, and subscribe if you're a new one. And I don't think you can put the notification bell on since this is action is turned off because of kids content, but whatever. If you can do it, please do that. Bye, I'll see you in the next video.